This video will show you how to start video conferencing. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the room and locate key components such as the screens, camera, microphone, remote control, and cable to share files from a laptop. The quality of your video conference experience can be greatly increased by following basic recommendations. Before joining a call, adjust the camera to optimize the video the remote locations will receive from you. If your back is against windows, your video may be very dark and you may want to lower the shades or close the blinds. Now you're ready to join a call. Remember that you're talking with people in the same room with you, as well as the remote location, so make eye contact with the far side by talking to the monitor. The microphone is very important for good quality sound. Papers or other clutter should not be placed on top of the microphone. Also, avoid positioning laptops too close to the microphone. If you need to mute the microphone during a call, you can either touch the mute button on the microphone or use the remote control. When your audio is muted, an icon appears on screen. During your meeting, you can also share a presentation with other participants. Connect the VGA cable to your laptop. This allows you to share files from your computer with the participants in the call. Watch other videos in this series for tips on using the remote control and other features of your video conference room.